In today's video, I will show you the massive book haul that I did on the eve of Diwali. The only difference is that these are not first-hand books. These are rather second-hand books or Xerox books. Now you will see why I bought second-hand books or Xerox books, knowing they were Xerox books. Now let me tell you that from the second-hand book community, I am buying books since 2004. And this year, due to pandemic, it was last in February 2020 that I bought books from them. So I thought on the eve of Diwali, when everyone I'm seeing are bringing books from Flipkart and Amazon at massive discounted rate, why not go and buy some books from my second-hand bookseller vendors? And trust me, I got around 16 books which consist of both fiction and non-fiction, and the price of all these books is hardly 1500 or 1300 rupees. That is what I have spent. And let me tell you, these are really very good books. Please watch this video till the end. Tell me your feedback about the books that I bought. Also in this video, I will talk about the difference between second-hand books and Xerox books, because recently I was seeing the YouTube video of many booktubers who had complained that from established sites like Amazon and Flipkart, they have received Xerox books. So I thought, why not talk about the difference between Xerox books, second-hand books, and the new original books. So watch this video till the end and share your feedback in the comment section about this particular video. Hello and welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetha. In today's video, I will talk about the massive book haul that I did on the eve of Diwali. And mind it, today when I am filming this particular video, today is Diwali. And to bring smile in the face of this book vendors, booksellers from whom I am buying books since I was in my college, I thought why not support them in very small way by taking or collecting books from my second-hand book vendors. So without further ado, let's begin today's video. But if you are a new person who is watching my video, please do subscribe my channel Book Tales by Preetha by hitting the subscribe button. I come up regularly with new videos on books, life, career and personal growth. Now let me show you the books that I have. The first book that I bought is Sea of Poppies by Amitabh Ghosh. This is the first book of Ibis trilogy, and let me tell you, this is not a Xerox book. This is a second-hand book, and this book, the price of this book, the printed price of this book is rupees 499. I have got it for only 100 rupees. Isn't it a good deal that I have done? Now, I have heard a lot about this particular trilogy by Amitabh Ghosh, and I wanted to read it for a very long time. And so I bought the first book, Sea of Poppies by Amitabh Ghosh. Also, the next book that I will show. Now, this book is a Xerox copy. How did I understand that this particular book is a Xerox copy? When you see the pages and the type of printing that is done over here, you recognize that a book is original or a printed or a Xerox copy. Also by seeing the cover, since we buy books regularly, be it online or offline, so we understand that how to distinguish between Xerox books, pirated books and original books. Now this book, Gun Island by Amitabh Ghosh, is also a very popular book. It got released last year and I was putting an eye to read this book for a very long time. I got this book I think for 80 rupees, while the original price of the book is rupees 699. Tell me, isn't it a good deal? Isn't it a wise choice that I made? And also I wanted to support the book vendors out there, because you know what, we have grown older seeing those book vendors, and I was asking them that what is the condition of their business. What they told me is they are worst hit by COVID, unlike other business ventures. Not only the online shops like Amazon and Flipkart are a big threat to them. You know, these book vendors generally sit on the areas which are near to different colleges. I think this is same in most of the cities and towns. Same here is the story in Kolkata. Now, I buy books from Gol Park in Kolkata, and also there, the South Calcutta college students, they buy books from there. Now, due to COVID, the colleges are closed. Rarely the students are going. Also, the other people who used to buy books are now preferring to buy books online. So, you know what, they are giving books at throwaway prices. So I thought, why not support these people in a very small way. Just like it is your and my Diwali, it is also a Diwali for them. And that is the reason I thought of collecting all very amazing books which I was eyeing for a very, very long time. The next book that I bought, I have already read the first book of this particular series, and I think I have also made a video on this particular book. I will put the link somewhere in the description below and also over here in the card. This book is The Feast of Roses. This is the second book of the Taj trilogy. I have already read The 20th Wife by Indu Sudarshan. It is the, Indu Sundaration. Sorry if I have butchered her title. I'm extremely sorry. I have already read the first book. It is on Noor Jahan, the wife of Jahangir, one of the most powerful queen of the Mughal era, and it is Mughal history, which I am extremely fascinated to read. So I thought, why not get a hold of this book? Again, this is a second-hand book, and I got this book after a lot of bargain because the book vendor knows me very well. So he agreed to give me this book, I think, for 100 rupees, and the original price of the book is rupees 399. Also, see the thickness of the book. This is again a very, very popular book. As I told you, I have read the first book, and so I wanted to read this one for a very long time, and so I bought The Feast of Roses. The next two books, well, I am a big Agatha Christie fan, and I have bought two more Xerox copies of Agatha Christie books because I was getting it at a throwaway price. So the first book that I got is The Unexpected Guest, and the another book is Five Little Pigs. These two books are not second-hand books. These are again Xerox copies, and I bought these books at 80 rupees. And that is the reason I thought, let me pick these two books up. I was searching for that book, The Death in the Nile. I didn't get it. I got these two books rather. You know, I am an impulsive buyer when it comes to books or things of my liking, and I just randomly pick up books. So these were the two books, and I got it for 80 rupees. They are very popular books by Agatha Christie, and so I got them. The next two books are again very, very popular books, and this book, Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. I had heard the review of this particular book on Shalu Walia's channel. She's a popular booktuber. I found it interesting. It is about three men who go on traveling a particular place and what incidents happen. And this book is full of wits and humor and comedy, and that is the reason when I got the second-hand copy of this book, I just picked it up from the bunch of books that was kept over there. So looking forward to read this book, because you know what, our life right now in 2020 is filled up with different kind of tension. So you need something to release your stress and everything. And what better option than to read a book which is filled with satire, humor and comedy. The next book is a very popular book. I just completed reading The Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert. Yes, I haven't read Eat, Pray, Love. I wanted to see the movie, which I did not like, but everybody has said in the booktube community that the book is way better than the film. I got this book for 80 bucks. Can you believe it? I got a second-hand copy of Eat, Pray, Love for 80 bucks. I couldn't resist, and so I just grabbed the opportunity. So looking forward to read it. You know, I am mesmerized by the kind of writing that Elizabeth Gilbert has presented to us reader in The Big Magic, which is a non-fiction. So I'm looking forward to read her fiction book. So this is Eat, Pray, Love, which I'm hoping to finish it before 2020 ends. And see the cover. Isn't it very lovely? 80 rupees is a steal deal for a book like Eat, Pray, Love. And the last fiction book that I bought is English August by Upamanyu Chatterjee. This is made into some movie. I love the plot of the book, and I have heard a lot about Upamanyu Chatterjee. I have not read his writings yet. Again, this is a second-hand book, and let me tell about the blurb. Augusta Sen is a young Indian civil servant whose imagination is dominated by women, literature, and soft drugs. As the novel opens, he has been posted to a small provincial town of Madna. English August is funny, warily observed account of Augusta Sen's year in the state. Isn't it interesting? I am looking forward to read this book, and when I got a book by Upamanyu Chatterjee, about whom I have heard a lot, I thought, why not collect it? So these are the fiction books that I got at Steal Deal from my second-hand book vendors. Now I will show you the collection of non-fiction books that I collected. Before I begin my non-fiction collection that I bought from the second-hand book vendors, tell me how you are liking this particular video or my book choices. Is it good, very good, bad, or worse? Put your opinion in the comment section below. Also, to read my blogs, it is at preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. To follow me on Instagram, it is by the name Book Tales by Preetha, and do join our Facebook group where we regularly discuss about books, author, literature. The group is by the name Book Tales by Preetha. To follow me on Twitter, it is @PreethaSharkar80. The link of all the books that I describe or talk in my videos is always given in the description section below, so that if you are interested to buy any of these books after after watching my videos, then do buy it from the link given in the description section below, so that I get small percentage as a commission from Amazon affiliate link. Also, please do watch my channel, please do support my content, and do ask your friends and relatives to hit that subscribe button, so that not only I grow as a YouTuber and I get encouraged by your feedback and your comments, also you get to see regular videos, new videos every week on books, life, career, and personal growth. Now, let me get back to the next set of non-fiction books. The next book that I bought is Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. Now, I have read the 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma around 1.5 years back. I like the writing, I like the book. The things that he have told, I found it are doable things. Now, this is one of the books I had heard a lot about it. I wanted to read it. Also, I want to read The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I wanted a physical copy of the book. If you get a second-hand copy at 80 rupees, won't you buy it? So I bought the book because I was for a very long time looking forward to read other books by Robin Sharma. So this is the first fiction book of this massive book haul. The next book that I bought, this actually I had started reading as an ebook, but you know what, In case of non-fiction book, what I find is it is better to have a physical copy of the book, because you need to mark many things, you need to note down many things. When I read it from the ebook, the problem that I face is I have to write down everything that I find interesting or things that I think can be doable. So this is Good Vibe, Good Life. So this, I think, yeah, now this is the book. I have read about 50-60 pages of this particular book as an ebook. When I got it at I think 70 rupees was the price that I had paid for this particular book, I grabbed the copy. The next book is a very popular book. Last year, Abhijit V. Banerjee had won Nobel Prize with his wife Esther Duflo for this particular book, Poor Economics. Being an arts student and having economics as one of my subject, long due, this book was in my wish list. This is a very serious book, and this is a book that I want to read, and I was looking forward to read this particular book. When I saw a copy of this book, the original price is $4.99. I got this book for 100 rupees. So why not grab a copy of this amazing book? Yes, I know this book will take me little more time to read than the normal books, but I am looking forward to read this book on a very serious note. I want to know what is there in the book which the man won a Nobel Prize for it. Being a Bengali, being an Indian, I thought I should read this book. And so I collected a copy of Poor Economics, Rethinking Poverty and the Ways to End It. Another book. This was there in all the books. I am telling the same thing, that it was there in my wish list. So this book is Stephen Hawking's Brief Answer to Big Question. Now this one I had seen in Sneha's channel. It's Book Junction, and she had given a very good review of this particular book, and since then I wanted to read this book. So I got a copy. I think this is a Xerox copy. I'm not very sure, but I think this is a Xerox copy. It is only after bringing home I realized that this is a Xerox version. But I wanted to read. My objective is reading the book and supporting these booksellers, book vendors. So I grabbed a copy of it. Also, I have not read Stephen Hawking's before. This is a very, very popular book and looking forward to read it ASAP. Now, the next book is Elon Musk, How the Billionaire CEO of SpaceX and Tesla is Shaping Our Future. This is a book which, since I also do small businesses, very small businesses, he is a personality who inspires, and I want to read about him. I want to know more about him. Yes, I have seen many YouTube videos and various content, but I want to read in depth about this person, Elon Musk, and so I grabbed a copy of this particular book. And if you want me, I can do a full-fledged review of this book or all the books that I am mentioning in this particular video. Do mention in the comment which book would you like to watch a detailed review, and I will do so for you. The next book is What Young India Wants by Chetan Bhagat. Don't kill me for the author's name. I have heard from many booktubers in their respective YouTube channel that this book has got good research work and good writing from the author himself. So I got this book for 80 rupees. and I collected it. The next book is something that I am looking forward to read for a very long time, because I had read the first book, that is Sapiens. I have made a full-fledged review of Sapiens in my channel, Book Tales by Preetha. Here in the cards I will put the link, also in the description section I will put the link. I hope you have understand what is the book I am talking about. The book in question is Homo Deus by Yuval Noah Harari. Sapiens is one of the books that I read in 2020 in January, February, and I enriched the reading experience of reading a book like Sapiens because it widened my knowledge, my thought process, and I am looking forward for a very long time to read Homo Deus and I wanted a physical copy of the book. I got it at a good deal, and so I thought, why not grab it? And the last book that I got, again, as I said, that I'm a small-time business owner and I like to read about big billionaires. I will never be a billionaire in my life, but I want to read about them. I want to know what these people did that they have become so big. And so this is the book, Alibaba, the house that Jack Ma built, and this is one of the books that I will read very soon, and I will talk about this book. I want to talk about this book and the Elon Musk book, and share with you what these people have done, that they are so big that we look up to these people. So these are the books that I collected from the second-hand book vendors of Golpark, Goriahat in Kolkata. So those of you who are residing in Kolkata, especially in South Kolkata, you are well versed of this particular place. Go grab your copy of your favorite books from this book vendors. Support these book vendors. Also, not only the ones living in Kolkata, I would also request the ones who are living in different parts of the world, different cities and towns of India as well. Support the small-time book vendors because they need our support in the time of this pandemic, because different businesses like theirs have been worse hit. And see, online you will definitely get books at great deals. There is wide competition, which is it is like the survival of the fittest. And if in a small way you can support these people, then maybe we know we are doing something from our end to help them. And if you like today's video, please hit the like button, and I will come back to you soon with another video. Do mention in the comment section which of the books have you read, which of the books you want me to do a full-fledged review, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata and goodbye.